Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am sharing about PowerPoint presentation in Microsoft Teams, online classes, and how we can share YouTube videos or any musics within PowerPoint presentation or within same PowerPoint slide. You can insert your online video or music within your slide and present it online with your students. Now let's start. For that, let's open PowerPoint first, Microsoft, and you can create your new slide or insert video within your previous slide. Here I am using one template. I'll create a new slide. Suppose if you have already created PowerPoint slide and want to insert video within that slide, you can just add new slide and insert video. You can go to insert option and media, video, online video. Here you need to paste URL. Let's open YouTube now. In YouTube, I'll select a video or search for video and insert the link within insert option in PowerPoint. Here, like you can search for video Teams online exam like this. Now let's select one video from here. You can select your own video and insert. Here I am using this video. Control C, select this URL and insert it in your PowerPoint slide like this. Control V, insert. Now let's minimize this browser and maximize this video size in PowerPoint slide. Now it's done. Here, video is inserted, and while sharing your slide, you would better use this slideshow browsed by window option, browsed by an individual window option like this, and play your slide. Now your slide show is ready to share. You can move to Teams meeting. Let's move to Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams, join a meeting for demo purpose like this. Let's minimize it. Here. Let's run another instance of Teams. I've already shared about running multiple instances of Microsoft Teams. You can watch that video to learn how to run multiple instances like this. Okay, here you can see I have logged in as two different users and joined a meeting as a student from student account in this meeting. Okay, meeting is going on. Now as a presenter, I will select option share. Here, share screen and select PowerPoint window. Here you can see PowerPoint slideshow window. You can select and switch between slides like this, and in students view you can see like this, and switch between slides like this, and you can see YouTube video being displayed, and you can simply click play option to share YouTube video. By this way you can share YouTube videos in Microsoft Teams meeting in PowerPoint slides. Okay, thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to hit subscribe button and click the bell icon for me